Now, let us look at an important and interesting concept of shuttle satellite racking. There is, we can use the shuttle and satellite racking for block stacking as well. This type of racking is similar in appearance to the drive-in racking, with pallets resting on flanks on two edges. So pallets would be in the upright metal. However, in order to avoid the need for lift trucks to enter the racking, battery powered satellites are used. Satellites would be something that would be moving easily up and placing it. These are also known as radio shuttles or pallet moles. This form of racking provides dense storage suitable for product lines, whereas where there are sufficient number of pallets per SKU to warrant a whole lane. So in shuttle racking, you do not require a truck. You can use smaller or narrower oils. These shuttle or satellites can actually move and can easily lift different pallets, especially for those product lines in which the products are of high density. So their volume would not be, their weight to volume ratio is actually high. That is why they would be dense. So you do not need truck lifts, because truck lifts can damage the product if it falls or even in lifting. So satellite or shuttle racking would become more appropriate. But you need to have, for shuttle racking to work, as it is automated, it would work only if you have a whole lane of the same SKU. In that case, the satellite or shuttle racking could be used. The other names are the pallet moles or radio shuttles. Thank you.